Hello students, are you dreaming to be a doctor? Your dream is to be a doctor but you are not able to get a good score in NEET? Don't you worry, there are the other options available to fulfill your dream. Yes, if you want to be a doctor and you are not getting a good score in NEET, then you can plan to study MBBS abroad. Yes, I do agree. You may have a lot of confusions that what is the level of quality education there, what is the fee structure, whether you can afford it or not. Definitely, these doubts are valid, but I want to tell you one thing that the quality of education is really very high, and many of the colleges are offering MBBS degree in your budget. Here is a glance of some of the reputed colleges abroad. Just look at this. So if your dream is to be a doctor, think to be a doctor from Russia. There are many colleges in Russia, those are in your budget. You can think for Ukraine. Ukraine is also a known country for medical education. There are many colleges, they are giving very good education. Then you can think for Georgia. Many good colleges are there. If you are unable to pay up to 25 or 30 lakhs, your budget is around 20 lakhs, you can think for Kyrgyzstan, you can think for Kazakhstan. In these countries, you can get a good quality education in your budget. Apart from that, if you want to know more about other MBBS colleges, because we process the admissions in various countries like Nepal, Bangladesh, Philippines and Malaysia. But in these countries, the budget is a bit high. So if you have the affordability of up to 40 or 50 lakhs, you can think for these countries also. So don't give up your dream. Just if you really want to be a doctor, think for these colleges. If you want to get more details, you can contact us. The numbers are given here at down. You can contact on these numbers, you can get the details and you can fulfill your dream. In case of any further requirements, definitely do call us. Thank you very much.